Hey, I'm Dave Barlow. I'm the president of Innovative Base Technologies, and we are back at Indian Rocks Christian School here in Largo, Florida. Gosh, it's probably been at least 6 or 7 years ago. We did a little small play area for Indian Rocks, and we've been working with them over the last couple of years, trying to figure out how to convert some of the existing grass areas and even some parking lots into synthetic turf fields. So here we are. This is about a 3,500 square foot, 4,000 square foot area. And what's so cool about this is that we're doing this with UltraBase Max directly over top of an existing asphalt parking lot. So we're going to show you how we did a little bit of repairs to the asphalt to get some of the lumps and bumps out. But what's so great about UltraBase Max is that we're going to use a relatively low infill turf, probably about 2 pounds of infill, directly on top of this asphalt parking lot. And because the UltraBase Max has the foam system that's been fused to the underside, we're going to get ridiculously low Gmax, but we're going to get incredible energy restitution back to the athlete. It feels solid underfoot. That's the difference. We're not playing on foam. We're playing on a structural base system that happens to have great shock absorption. So it can't get any easier than this. So we take an area, cover it, turf, and we're done. So you got drainage, you got playability, you got safety, you got ease of installation. So we're going to walk you through all the steps of how we did this. What's exciting to me is that this is the first project like this with Max, but we've already got a project going into a major metropolitan area, about 20,000 square feet. Another one right behind that, all converting asphalt or old concrete into new athletic fields. So I think UltraBase Max is going to lead the way in this type of installation, and let's see how it's done here.
It's perfect. You dig in and you don't slide through, you don't get stuck in it at all, you don't slide at all. It's like just like a normal field, none of the traction's any different at all.
I definitely feel confident on this field. The traction felt really strong, and I'm usually pretty clumsy, so I felt pretty strong and I feel like I can move around a lot, and I definitely wouldn't be scared to fall down or slip at all. I would be fine with it.
So here we are at Indian Rocks Christian School. Project's over. So as you remember, asphalt area, UltraBase Max, turf went on, and a little bit of infill. And I gotta tell you, it feels great underfoot. We just did some Gmax testing last week, 92 Gmax in 10 different areas. Awesome for head concussion, but it plays great. It's solid underfoot. So remember, if you've got an old asphalt area or a concrete area or a dirt area or even a natural grass area that needs to be converted into something state-of-the-art, we've got a solution for you. Check us out on UltraBaseSystems.com. it.